Hello everybody. In today's session we will try to learn what are the major 5 things to be considered before buying a DSLR. Number 1, sensor. Sensor is most important part of your camera. So most of the people don't know about this particular feature. The sensor is a major thing in our camera which decides the quality of our image. There are different types and sizes of sensors. Starting from your mobile camera to the high-end DSLR or mirrorless camera or medium format camera, whatever it may be, it will have different sizes of sensors. So depending on your camera model, the size of the sensor differs. Depending on the size of the sensor, the light handling capability of your camera differs. For example, a small mobile camera won't be able to capture in low light conditions, but whereas DSLR will be able to capture beautiful images in low light conditions. The size of the sensor is a major factor in both of them. So if you see a mobile camera, you will have very tiny sensor, but whereas in DSLRs you will have a bit bigger sensors. The sensors in DSLRs and mirrorless cameras differ in different sizes. 1-inch sensor, 1/4 sensor, APS-C sensor, also called as crop sensor, full frame sensor and a medium format sensor. So depending on the sensor size, the price of your camera also differs. As a beginner or enthusiast, first we'll try to buy APS-C sensor or crop sensor. These APS-C sensor cameras mostly fall under the price range of 20,000 to 70,000 rupees. Professional DSLRs are called full frame sensor. The sensors are a bit bigger than APS-C sensor. In full frame cameras, the light handling capability will be better when compared to APS-C sensors. The DSLRs used by professional photographers are full frame sensors. Second major factor in considering buying a DSLR is megapixel. Most of the people think that megapixel is a major factor in buying camera, but it is a mistake. Megapixel won't decide the quality of your image, but sensor decides the quality of your image. Megapixel, anything above 12 megapixel is more than enough for you to print very large size pictures. Megapixel only increases the dimensions of the picture, but not the quality of the picture. Most of the people think that buying a high resolution or high megapixel camera creates beautiful images, but it is false. Only the sensor size decides the quality of your image. Third major point in buying your DSLR is video capability. So whether it is able to record video or not. And at the same time, you need to decide whether you want the capability of video, photo or both. Most of the latest cameras are coming with high-end video capabilities these days. So those features includes fully HD video recording with different frame rates like 30 frames per second, 50 frames per second, 60 frames per second, and some of them also offer 120 frames per second, which is slow motion. Some of them are also coming with flip screen and 4K capabilities also. If you are a DSLR film shooter, you also need to consider whether your camera is having mic capability and HDMI output also. The fourth major factor in buying DSLR is lenses. Lens plays major role in creating wonderful images. Lenses are really the key for adding momentum, uniqueness and strength to your photography. The vast majority of entry-level and mid-level DSLRs are coming with kit lenses, which is an 18 to 55 mm zoom lens. These kit lenses tend not to have the same quality of glass and features as most of the expensive lenses. The fifth major things to consider is the budget and the type of photography you do. If you want to become a hobby photographer or an enthusiast photographer, you can just buy a crop censored camera. Or if you want to become a professional photographer and wanted to invest at one time, you can go for a full frame camera. So in both the situations, the body is major. So deciding which body you want to buy is the major thing. Then later on you can decide which lens to buy depending on your choice. Then one more question comes to your mind. So which brand to buy? So more or less all brands are similar and equal to each other. You need to decide which brand you wanted to buy. Whether it is Canon, Nikon, Sony, Pentax or anything, the camera is camera. The sensor plays major role and you have to decide your budget according to your choice of profession or hobby. If you are on budget, invest on cheaper body and invest more on prime lenses and zoom lens. Costly camera won't make you professional. I have seen many people with costly cameras still using in auto mode. It is not the camera. but who is behind is important. Considering all these factors, make an informed decision so you will be happy with your purchase. If you have any questions further, you can always feel free to comment below. Thank you.